Beach day. We're currently in New Jersey. It's the first time I ever spent time in New Jersey. I mean, last time it was with Kendall. She's right there. We just passed through, but now is the first time we're actually spending time in New Jersey. So we just arrived to the beach. Since I have military background, I get to be on this super cool beach for free. No stop sign for you, idiot. So it is a tree. The trees are.
Take out. Mom, let me find something.
Are you talking about mines or something? Or?
Hold it, Dominic!
No, come here, look. Come on right here, come on.
I know, but I don't know.
What does it look like?
Crab?
It's kind of like a crab.
Good.
Do you know? Yeah.
See, you
It
got
was
it.
out there! I did it!
Hey, stop yelling. You're gonna break the fun for the others.
I'm just saying you did
They're
it!
super
Got one all along.
All by yourself. So are ya?
Oh yeah, look. Found one.
You wanna hold it?
Wanna hold it? How about this for first family reunion, right?
Oh my gosh, this is bad. But every day has been amazing.
Yeah. Today we are located in Crystal Cave. So we're gonna go in the cave and we're gonna just explore over there. We're gonna be walking. It's supposed to be a little chilly there, like 50s or something. So yeah, just follow me. I don't like doing comments. So let's just watch, okay? Just watch.
Hi, YouTube.
Hi.
Just say the wine.
Here, Bill.
You got it?
Nike kick.
You good?
So cool.
You made it.
It was hot in there.
Cold. It was cold.
Let me know. Whoa! You got stuff. Look at that. Make sure you put them in your baggie. Here. I'm gonna open up your baggie for you. Candle.
Candle?
Look what Kendall just found.
That thing is huge. Essie, you found a bunch of tea.
Oh, I got a shark tooth. Mom, I got a shark tooth.
Look. Put that one away. Put it in there. Look at this. Look.
Can you give it to Matthew?
Kind of deal. Now we're gonna get some what?
Ice cream.
Some ice cream. Ice cream. She screams.
We all scream
We
for
all
ice cream.
scream for ice cream. So what is this place? Oh, I seen these ones in. They're alive.
Yeah. It's cold.
Look.
The firm.
You tickled it. Look, he's ticklish.
Want to see something really cool, guys? Watch this. Watch.
I think you killed someone.
Hello. Oh, look. They had the sodas. Nope. 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 We're getting to ice cream right now. The what?
They're whoopie pie.
Oh. Go get them. Go get them. It takes the lifetime of 7 honeybees to make one tea.
Yeah, remember Kendall used to do this at the laundromat?
No joke.
Close it.
That was the best part. That was the best part of that place.
Yeah, that was good.
I left my phone in the car. You got yours? No, I just got it.
Always in like weird places. It's like that underground stuff.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Okay. Complete our waiver on your phone. Knock that out, love.
Come on, guys. I found 2. Come on.
I know. I got
Jackie, how many you got? Jackie, you need to step up.
Hey, you found one for me.
You're about to sit outside for this.
Unbelievable. Right here.
Dang! All right. Good job. Yeah.
Good job, babe.
Detective Lucas.
You guys ready?
Yeah. I gotta go back and
No, you're good. You're good.
And then every time he gives you a hard time, just show him that.
Yes.
Thank you.
Well, that was it for today. See ya. Where we at, Boo?
I don't know. There's something else.
This is the Philly streets.
Well, that's what shoved me in your trunk and brought me here.
Don't say that! We're gonna go grab some food. Follow us for the foodies. You think Drew would like one of these? Best pretzel ever. Huh? Am I right or wrong?
Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. The plain part doesn't have nothing on it. It's butter. Pretty good.
What do you think, Boo Boo?
I think it's better than Auntie Anne's, but Sam's pretzel is always my favorite.
No, this is definitely better than the Sam's Club. Get out of here.
It's kind of surreal. It's just like the fact that just how nature took over. This is crazy. What's that? Huh? Smokestack? You already say hi, YouTube.
One time I did that. Just stayed 1, 2 pop on my shoe the whole time.
Okay, but let me get.
Subscribe to Journey Bites.
Yeah, subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe. Outside.
So we're gonna grab some coffee in Horton's Coffee. I think that's what it's called. So I'll give you a review here in a second. Let's see, what kind of drink did you get?
I got coffee.
What kind of coffee did you get?
Oreo.
Oreo? With an extra shot of caffeine?
Yeah.
Yes? Something you don't need because you're already super electronic. They call you Electro. Like the guy from Spider-Man.
I am an electric scooter.
Electro scooter?
Electric scooter.
Electro executioner? What did you get, Bell Bell? The same thing? Did you like it? Is that good? I like mine too. Your mommy got me a white chocolate macadamia. It was delicious. It was delicious. That is so pretty.
I love my hair.
Oh, Boston cream. I like Boston cream.
All right. All right. Could you wrap up the Boston cream cake, the whole thing?
Oh my God. This guy has no issues. He's like, you want Boston cream?
We need Boston cream.
You get it. We need the Boston cream. Wow, there's another store. Oh my God.
No, I got
Thank you, babe.
I promise you. Rudder's all the way
So what? Who?
Who's in our group?
Everybody.
Everybody's in our group.
Everybody. Everybody. Oh, you only pick mine? Okay.
Oh, thank you. Here you go, ladies.
The ladies are gonna share one. It's huge. That's for both of you? Oh my gosh. What did you get?
Birthday
Birthday cake?
cake. Whipped cream, cookie crumbs, and a Cheerio.
You only got a drink? That's a good looking banana split.
I never had one before.
You never had one before.
Just, she's popping my cherry. Yeah!
Stupid.
There you go.
Oh yeah, have fun.
Have fun, man. Hey,